So Professor Liu is going to review this array and parallel array and vector concept through your multiple choice tests. So let me click on this one. So please don't forget. Hold on. Let me mute you all. Okay. So remember, this test don't have time limit. You can do 3 times. The thing is, this test, you can only do 3 times. And let me review right now. When I reviewed your test, remember it's the same type of test. Okay, same type of test, but different questions. Okay, the different order. Same question, different order. Different order. Is that okay? So you can video to go here. And let me make this a little bit larger so for you to see. Is that okay? Oh, too large. Sorry. I think this is okay. You can see right now. Okay. So question number 1 will ask you, unlike a variable, array can hold multiple, and this is multiple choice questions. Okay. So array can hold multiple values, not data type, not name constant, not variables. It's values. One more time. This question will be, unlike regular variables, arrays can hold multiple values. Okay, let's do number 2 right now. So remember, yours and mine are different. You concentrate on mine. Then when we finish, I have video for you. All right, to access an array element. So one element. So array has multiple values. When we need to access one element, so you need to use the array's name and also the elements. Okay, the element has specific subscript. One more time. To access an array element, you need to use the array name and array's subscript. So this one will go to specific one, the third one, the fourth one, something like that. Okay. Next, we have an array integer grade, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements right here, and this will be an example of implement array size. Why we call implement? Because I don't have size here, and Visual Studio is going to come here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the size will be implementary to put at 4. And I know this weird term. Can you remember this? Called implicit array size. Implicit means I did not give a size. No, didn't I? I don't give you a size, but I get a size because there are 4 elements. All right, so let's do another one. It's okay. By using the same what, you can build relationship between data stored in 2 or more array. Okay, you probably already know the answer, but we're going to check this. If you using the subscript, you can build the relation between the parallel array. You know, that means the subscript, that's very important. The subscript like address. So you're going to store maybe the username in the string array, and users price or something, and ID at the ID array. Okay, subscript. One more time. By using the same subscript, remember they share, so it's very important. Order is very important. They have to in the same subscript. You can build relationship between data stored in 2 or more arrays. Okay, and let's go on right now. Let's go on. So to step through a one-dimensional array, accessing the element one by one, it would be most appropriate to use what kind of loop? Probably you already know, but we tell you for loop. Okay, if you want to step through a one-dimensional array, access the element one by one, it will be most appropriate to use a for loop. Okay, a for loop. All right. So that's understand that. Let's continue. Okay, continue. Oh, there are not too many. Okay, so hang in there with me. Okay, So next question. Say, when an array is passed to a function, very important. When an array is passed to a function, it is actually what the array that is passing. When we passing the array to a function, it is actually is actually the starting memory address of the array. The starting memory address of the array is passing. It's not a copy of all the elements. It's not value stored in the first element. It's not data type, but the starting memory of address. So you pass an array, you passing the first element's address. You understand this? Yes or no? Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. All right. So a two-dimensional array actually can be viewed as, okay, a table with rows and columns. Okay, we told you like it's like matrix system, table with rows and columns. So one more time, a two-dimensional array can be viewed as a table with rows and columns. Okay, and a few more, three more, that's it. Okay, four more. Yeah, three more. Sorry, one here. Array of 10 elements is named my array. Can have its content displayed with which of the following statement? Okay, so let's see. So array of 10 integer named my array, and can have its content displayed in which of the elements? Okay, none of these. Okay, let me see why. Can have content display which of the, all right, so CL my array no good. CL my array either no good. CL my array. Can anyone tell me CL 0 to 9 why this is no good? What? Oh, who is this one? Who tell me this? Caesar, yeah! High five for Caesar. You need to have for loop. Okay? So none of these. So in case you have this one, none of this. But remember, I have video for you. I'll show you. Okay? I'll upload right away. Next one. If you leave out the size of the declarator in an array declaration. Okay? So you don't have a size right now. If you have the size, you must finish an initialization. You don't have a size, you must give initialization. Otherwise, there's no clue to get your size. You understand? Do you understand this question? So, if you do not have size, right here, if you do not have size, you must have a declaration. For example, some question like there, let me go back to find out that question. Is okay. For example, this one don't have a size, then you must have initialization. If you just have in front don't have this, then that's mistake. It's okay, and your computer will get count the element here. Implicit size gives you 4. Okay, and that's coming back right here. I think I have two more or one more. Oh, is that right? One more. Okay, so one here. When an array is passed to a function, it is actually something the array that is passed. All right, it is. We already have that one. Sorry, I need to go to the last one. Sorry. And teacher is kind of not smart. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to the last one. All right, I have a last one right now. I have a statement say type depth integer 1D dimensional. Does which of the following? So let's see right here. Okay. So the statement here will type definition. All right. So this one will be let me see. This one will make one D. Let me see. It's called 1D array. Will make 1D array an alias for a data type that holds 20 integer. We didn't teach this one, so you need to remember answer, and let me tell you. Type def is, all right, I'm going to define here is integer. Type def. We don't need to use this, very, very rare when you, but unfortunately you have a question like that, so you need to make sure you make this one. You will make 1D array and aliens for a data type that hold 20 integer. Okay, make aliens. So you create your own data type, but they're similar to integer. Okay, so that's all the question, and I'm going to stop.